Good morning, children. Today we will be doing codominance. Our next topic is codominance. The word itself means both are dominating figure. That means if we take the example of blood group AB, A and B both can express itself when present together. That's why we call it as codominance. Alleles are able to express themselves independently when present together. Let us take the example of IA and IB. They separately can show their characteristic features, but when they come together also, they can produce their blood group AB. Let us take the example of multiple allele. That means they have got ABO blood group system. Here also, this blood group system can show multiple alleles characteristics. That is, in this blood group ABO system, blood group determined by the two types of antigen present on the surface coating of RBC A and B. Let us see blood group A. It will have antigen A. Blood group B, antigen B. Blood group AB, antigen AB. Blood group O, nil. That means in this ABO blood group, it is controlled by the gene I located on 9th chromosome that has 3 multiple allele, IA, IB and smaller I. Now coming to the different types of blood group which can be expressed in this term. If we talk about blood group O, it has got 2 allele, small I, A, it can be small I, capital A, B, it can be small I, capital B, and AB has got both capital A and capital B antigen. So these are the different types of blood groups we can see, and this data will signify that we have got multiple alleles representing multiple blood group. Let us see the next part of the chapter, that is pleiotropy. What is this pleiotropy? Pleiotropy means single gene gets affected several phenotypic character. Let us take the example of sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia has got a typical sickle-like structure in the RBC. The normal RBC is biconcave. The carrier, which is sickle-shaped RBC, and normal, which is very well seen, it is heterozygous, and the homozygous recessive is sickle-shaped. These blood groups are actually present in the person through pleiotropic condition. That is, the parent may be carrier, and if it is mated with a normal parent, then it will be expressed sickle cell carrier heterozygous, sickle cell carrier heterozygous. If these two parents, male and female, are crossbred, we see that they show very distinctly one homozygous normal, two heterozygous carrier, sickle cell carrier, and one homozygous recessive. This homozygous recessive cannot survive. It is very difficult for them to survive because they are totally affected by the hemophilia. But why it happens? It is actually an Mendelian autosomal recessive disease. What happens, in this, the normal hemoglobin chain, this nucleotide, 6th nucleotide, it is very well seen, glutamic acid, is replaced by valine in the person suffering from sickle cell anemia. We will be discussing the next part in the next video.